A very good morning, class 6 student. Today we are going to start exercise 2.1. And the very first question is, write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. You have to write the next three natural number after 10,999. So for this, writing the numbers after, you will add 1 to the given number, then again you will add 1, then again you will add 1. So here is the solution. The next three natural numbers after 10,999 are, the first number is 10,999 plus 1, and when we add we get the result is 11,000. Okay, now the next number will be 11,000 plus 1, and 11,000 plus 1 will be equal to 11,001, and the third and the last number will be 11,001 plus 1, and that is equal to 11,002. So here are the three numbers after 10,999. Now the next second question is, write the three whole numbers occurring just before. Now you have to write the numbers before 10,001. The given number is 10,001. For this we will subtract 1 from the given number, then again we will subtract 1, then again we will subtract 1. Okay, so the solution is here. Three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001, and the very first number is 10,001 minus 1, and that is equal to 10,000, and the next number will be 10,000 minus 1, and when we subtract 1 from 10,000 we get 9,999. Then again we will subtract 1, so 9,999 minus 1, and that is equal to 9,998. So here are the three numbers before 10,001. Now question number 3 is, in question number 3, which is the smallest whole number? Okay, you have to write here what is the smallest whole number. Yesterday I told you about the whole numbers. Whole numbers started from 0. 0 से start होते हैं. So 0 is the smallest whole number. So the smallest whole number is 0. Now we will do question number 4. In question number 4, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? In this question they have asked that 32 and 53 के बीच में कितने whole numbers आते हैं. It's very simple. You have to write the counting between 32 and 53. 33, 34, 35. Okay. So you will write whole numbers and then you can count these, and you will get that how many whole numbers are between 32 and 53. Okay. And one more thing what we can do, we can subtract 32 from 53, then whatever number will be the result we can again subtract 1 and we will get the result. Okay, let's start this. So first we can write the numbers between the 32 and 53. The whole numbers between 32 and 53 are 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. If you count these numbers, you will get that these are 20 numbers. How many numbers? 20 numbers. So there are, you can say there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. 32 and 53 के बीच में आपको कितने numbers मिल रहे हैं? We are getting 20 numbers here. So there are 20 whole numbers. Now the second method. Now we will do second method. In second method, as I told you, we will subtract 32 from 53. Okay, in second method we will subtract 32 from 43 and we get 21. So 53 minus 32 will be equal to 21. To find the number between them we have to again subtract 1. एक और बार आप 1 subtract करेंगे, so 21 minus 1 it means 20. So there are 20 numbers between 32 and 53. Let's start question number 5 now. Write the successor of the given numbers, and numbers are here 24,40,701 and 10,199. C part is 10,99,999 and next is 23,45,670. So to find the successor, what we do, we add 1 to the given number. So the successor of the numbers are, the first number is 4,40,701. So the successor will be 24,40,701 plus 1. So we get here 24,40,702. Okay, 1 plus 1, it will be equal to 2. So the answer is 24,40,702. Now the next B, C and D part, this is your homework. Now question number 6 is, write the predecessor of the following numbers. Okay, now we have number here again, A, B, C and D part are here. A is 94, B is 10,000, C is 20 lakh 8,090 and D is 76 lakh 54,321. To find the predecessor, what we do, we subtract 1 from the given number. So the predecessor are, the first part I will solve for you, A 94. So the predecessor will be 94 minus 1 and that will be equal to 93. So 94 minus 1 is equal to 93, and the B, C and D part will be a homework. You will do yourself. Now in question number 7, in each of the following pairs of number line, state which whole numbers is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also you have to write them with the appropriate sign greater than, less than between them. Okay. इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज़ आस्क्ड हेयर, आपको 2 नंबर्स गिवन हैं और आपको बताना है कौन सा नंबर लेफ़्ट साइड में होगा. एज़ यू नो, व्हेन वी राइट द नंबर्स ऑन नंबर लाइन, राइट साइड में नंबर्स आ रहे हैं इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में होता है. जैसे जैसे राइट साइड में जाता है तो वो नंबर बढ़ता रहता है. तो लेफ़्ट में कौन सा होगा, जो स्मॉल नंबर होगा वो आपका लेफ़्ट साइड में पड़ेगा. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव पार्ट्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Okay, we have 4 parts here. First I will solve only one part for you, 530 and 503. Okay, so 530 is greater than 503 and 503 is a smaller number, so 503 is on the left side of 530 on a number line. Okay, as you know, 530 and 503 में which is greater, 530 is greater, 503 is less than 530. So जो smaller number होगा that will be on left side. So 503 is on the left side of 530 on this number line. B, C and D, the rest part you will do yourself as homework. Now question number 8, and that is, which of the following statement are true and which are false. Okay, those statements which are true you will write T for true, and those statements which are false you will write against F them. Okay, F for false. So here is the first statement, and first statement is 0 is the smallest natural number, and as you know, natural numbers start from 1. Okay, so 0 and 0 is a whole number, so that is false. Okay, so first statement is false because 0 is not a natural number. 0 एक natural number नहीं है. Smallest natural number क्या होता है, that is 1. Okay, 0 is not a natural number. Now the second statement is 400 is the predecessor of 399. As you know, to find the predecessor, what we do, we subtract 1 from the given number, and when we subtract 1 from 399, what we get 398. So this statement is false, as the predecessor of 399 is 398. Now the C part. In C part we have a 0 is the smallest whole number. As you know, whole numbers start from 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number, and that is true. Okay, because 0 is the smallest whole number. C part is true. Now next is D part. In D part, 600 is the successor of 599. As you know, to find the successor we have to add 1 to the given number, and 599 plus 1 is equal to 600. So this statement is true. Okay, तो 600 is the successor of 599 and this is true because 599 plus 1 is equal to 600. Now we have the E part here. All natural numbers are whole numbers. As you know, natural number starting from 1. Natural number जो होते हैं 1 से start होते हैं और whole number 0 से start होते हैं. और so that statement is true because all natural numbers are whole numbers. Now all whole numbers are natural numbers. Whole numbers 0 से start हो रहे हैं, natural numbers 1 से, तो whole numbers can't be natural numbers. Okay, so this statement is false. बिकॉज होल नंबर्स में ज़ीरो भी होता है. ज़ीरो इज़ अ होल नंबर बट इट इज़ नॉट अ नेचुरल नंबर. एंड जी पार्ट, द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ अ 2 डिजिट नंबर इज़ नेवर अ सिंगल डिजिट नंबर एंड दैट इज़ फॉल्स. 2 डिजिट नंबर का प्रेडिसेसर सिंगल डिजिट नंबर नहीं हो सकता. ये पॉसिबल है, मतलब ये कह रहे हैं द प्रेडिसेसर नहीं हो सकता. दैट इज़ फॉल्स बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव 10, अगर आपके पास 10 नंबर है और उसका प्रेडिसेसर निकालेंगे तो दैट विल बी 9 एंड 10 इज़ अ 2 डिजिट नंबर एंड 9 इज़ अ 1 डिजिट नंबर. सो देयरफॉर दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ false. Now the next statement is H and 1 is the smallest whole number and that is false because you know whole number start from 0 and 0 is the smallest whole number. 1 is not the smallest whole number. So H is false. Now I part is the natural number 1 has no predecessor. ओके, जो नेचुरल नंबर आपका होता है, स्मॉलेस्ट नेचुरल नंबर इज़ 1 और इसका कोई प्रेडिसेसर नहीं होता. दैट इज़ ट्रू बिकॉज नेचुरल नंबर 1 से स्टार्ट होते हैं, 0 से नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए नेचुरल नंबर 1 का कोई प्रेडिसेसर नहीं होगा. ओके, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू. द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ 1 इज 0 बट that is not a natural number, so this statement is true. Now the next statement is J, the whole number 30, the whole number 1 has no predecessor. होल नंबर जो 1 होता है उसका कोई प्रेडिसेसर नहीं होता एंड दैट इज़ फॉल्स बिकॉज 0 इज़ द प्रेडिसेसर ऑफ 1 एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ होल नंबर. सो जे वाला जो स्टेटमेंट है आपका, दिस इज़ फॉल्स. Now the next is the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. 11 और 12 के बीच में 13 आता है, that is false. As you know 12 के after आता है 13, so this is false. Counting, you know counting 11, 12, 13. 13 आता है after 12. 13 does not lie between 11 and 12. Now the next statement L is the whole number 0 has no predecessor. As you know 0 is the smallest whole number और उससे पीछे कोई नंबर नहीं होता, so it does not have any predecessor, so it is true. So the L statement is true here. This statement will be true. The predecessor of 0 is -1 and this is not a whole number, that's why it is true. And the last is M part, the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number and that is also false because 2-digit number का successor 3-digit number भी हो सकता है. For this we have example 99. In case of 99, अगर आप उसका सक्सेसर फाइंड आउट करेंगे 99 प्लस 1 क्या हो जाएगा आपके पास 100 एंड दैट इज़ 3-digit नंबर. सो M statement is false.